All right, 1955 Mgtf 1500. Stunning silver car, red interior. Numbers matching. Isn't that gorgeous? I just had a black red TF at 1250. I thought it was the prettiest TF I'd ever seen in my life, and the nicest one. And then this one shows up, and it's a 1500. It's a plaque giving the numbers on the dash. It was restored in 2007 with an engine rebuild by Al Newell, and Terry and Mimi Benish did the body restoration. Pretty car. I got it. Looks like it must have had 260 miles since the restored. I bought the car out of California, and just a doll baby. There's a little stress spot here, about the only imperfection I found. Right here, same spot I've seen him on every TF. That silver really accentuates the lines. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Pretty, pretty car. I'll turn it around so we get good light on this side so you can see it as well as the other side. But you can see how straight it is. It's a pretty day after a week of being in the Arctic cold, so we're going to go out and drive it. Let the sun smile on us a bit. Okay, we'll put it up on the lift and then we'll go for a drive, and I'll put the soft top up. What a lovely, lovely example. Almost looks like a TC from that angle. All right, we'll put it up on the... All right, here we are with the 1955 Mgtf 1500 at eye level. This will give us an opportunity to get a good look at the wings, the bright work, the chrome, the grills, the lenses, and how straight this body is on this car. I don't really feel like I need to say much. I think this car will pretty much speak for itself in this video. Vredestein tires look brand new. We noted there had only been 275 miles put on the car since a total restoration. So we would expect it to be in pretty good condition, which of course it is. I see no reason why this car would not win a concourse event. I've seen no inconsistencies that would mark the car. Okay, I'll take it on up and we'll take a look at the underside. All right, the underside looks as good as we would have expected it. Of course, all the bushings are fresh and nice. Paint is still nice. All the front suspension's been worked, refreshed. It's not wet up underneath here. No leaking. As you can see, we've got a good quality car on the underside as well as the upper side. All right, sunshiny day outside, we'll take it first. All right, we're driving this 55 on a 55-degree day weather.